Good day, my viewers. I want to really thank you again for joining me on my channel, Life Plus. And I want to really appreciate all my subscribers and all those who have turned on the notification button. Today, I want to share with you a very, very powerful spiritual work that I want you to immediately take the necessary step to do it. I want you to do it as quickly as possible, because this spiritual work that I'm sharing for you, it is a spiritual work that will make doors to be opened unto you. It will force doors. You know, in the local language that where I dwell, we call it ashina tipa tipa. Ashina tipa tipa. That is a spiritual work that will open, that will force doors to be open unto you. Doors of opportunity, doors of business, doors of sales, doors of fund to be attracted to it. We force it open unto you. That is that spiritual work. So what are the things you need? What are the things you need? What are the things you need? The very first thing you need is you need the Sodom Apple leaf. We call it in the local dialect Ewe Bomubomu, the Sodom Apple. This is it. You need 16 of it. You need 16 of this leaf, Sodom Apple leaf. You need 16. The next thing you need is you need the duck egg. The duck egg. Duck. The egg. This is it. You just need 3 duck egg. 3 of these. Now, let me show you. There are, this is the one we have in our, I want to show you that there are different eggs. Now, this is the duck egg here. This one is the duck egg. This is the Greek egg that is rare here. You can see the color, and this is the local one. It's smaller. You can see it. It looks like the duck egg, only that it is smaller. But this is the Greek egg. So you need this one, the duck egg. You need 3 of it. You need 3 duck egg. That is what you need. That's the next thing you need, 3 of it. Then you need 1 pod of alligator pepper. 1 pod of alligator pepper. Just 1 alligator pepper like this. And then you need your local pot, or any pot you can lay your hand on. This is the local pot that I use in doing the work for people. You need a local pot. So, and then you need your Bible. You need your Bible that you can use that to chant Psalm 24 and Psalm 72. So those are the things you need for this spiritual work that can open doors for you, force doors to open. If you are someone whose doors are closed on, you turn to the left or to the right, you turn to the back or to the front, things are just not working. This is the work I want you to give a try quickly, as fast as possible. So now, what are the steps you need to take in preparing this spiritual work? The very first step you need to take is that, like I said, you need 16 of these Sodom Apple leaves. The Yoruba call it Ewe Bomubomu. Ewe Bomubomu. You need 16. Mary the logun. You need 16. Mary the logun. So you need 16 of it. So what you now need is that you need to take 8 of these leaves. You use it to you put it at the foundation. You put it down. You use it like this. You put 8. You use 8 to cover all. You see, like this. You use 8. And then once you have used the 8 to cover 8, then you need to put the 3 duck egg. You put it on it like this. You put the first one, the second one, the third one. So you put the 3 duck egg here. I just have 1 here because I've just prepared, and this is what is left. So you put the 3 duck egg inside. Then you use the 16 leaves of the 8 leaves that is left. You have used 8 beneath. Then putting the eggs, the 3 duck egg. Now you use the 8 that is left to. After you put the duck egg, the next thing is you will take the 1 pod of alligator pepper. You will put it beside. You will place the 1 pod of alligator pepper. You will put it beside the egg, and then you will use the 8 leaves of the Sodom apple. You will use the 8 leaves to cover it like this. So the 3 eggs, the 3 duck eggs and the alligator pepper is now covered. Then you place the lid of the pot on it without adding water. Please, you don't add water. And then you place the pot on a cooker, and then you start doing that. You start cooking it just like that. Place it on it like that, and wait till everything gets burnt you will wait. Everything will get burnt. Both the 3 duck egg, the Sodom apple leaves inside, and once it gets burnt, then you switch off the heat, or you put off your cooker, anyone that you are using. If you are using the charcoal, then you take it off and you put it off, and then you grind the item. They are already burnt. Then you now grind them smooth. You make sure you grind them smooth. You grind the item smooth, and then you chant your Psalm 24 and Psalm 72 once over the item, and then you say your prayer. You say your prayer. You say your prayer. You chant Psalm 24 once, Psalm 72 once, and then you say your prayer of open doors, of things to move on with you. That's when you are done with that. The next thing is this. You now need to share that grinded powder that you have gotten from the items into 7 portions. 7 equal portions. 7 equal portions. You share it into 7 equal portions. And then, how are you going to use it? You are going to be using each portion once a day, just one, early in the morning. You mix it with milk, pig milk, not powdered milk, the condensed milk, the liquid milk as we call it here over in Nigeria. Preferably, if you get pig milk, that's a brand in Nigeria, then you mix it with it and then you use it to take it. You put the powder in your tongue and then you use the milk to wash it in. And then you do that for 7 days. Wait and see the wonders of God, the wonders of nature, and you will see doors opening up for you. Where you have never thought doors will open for you, will begin to open for you. Take it, do it, and let me have your feedback. If you haven't subscribed, please, I want you to hit the subscriber button right down below the button, and then you will see it and subscribe, so that once I upload another one, you can be notified. Also turn on your notification button so that you can also be notified. If you want to reach out to me, my WhatsApp number is right down there below the description. You will find it there. So reach out to me if you have any question. I will be glad to guide you and to share with you. Thank you very much. See you some other time.